Ubat Rapsang ulong hadut menta udang nek bat ke Kongres hendai syua ke Elekshon MLA unsarai nak keseng ba unyale ke Elekshon bat ulapan pau ba ukham no Mynsiem syakaseng NPP bat kipat baru kikwa ba Iakhun nak NPP. Ulapan syai ba Mynsiem layakran tang bat ke BJP hendai bun kiseng kilawan kerpat bandrung bat Iakhun no nak keseng jongki bat hadut mentaru keseng Kongres kadang ab ba unyale ya ke election. Ubat Rapsang ulong ba udang don pedeng kecing syak suspend ke Mynsiem ha keseng Kongres balada keseng kamweng ya kini kecing suspend undu banyale ke election kumta ban se banwat takawai pat keseng san partai banyale ya ke election MLA.
I have to say nothing to it. Polingo should know one thing. I'm not a cabinet minister. I'm just supporting the government from outside, like all other parties supporting the government. Decision making for the shifting, it depends entirely on the government. I'm not part and parcel of the decision making in that for shifting of Harijan to my constituency. But I stand with the Darbasnong. We strongly oppose this move by the government for relocation in my constituency. It will be a very strong decision making by me when 2023 comes, when I'm there as a minister. That will be a decision making by me. Thank you. Kum ngalong menta ngadang ne hi bat ka Congress. Ngadang ngajok na Congress, ngane about Congress, hadu arkulai ngandon bat ka Congress. Di lala suak election na sampai pat na eka party bangan jale. Most probably ka inclination juga ati kadai bat ka NPP.
Would him rule out ba kinamlek sa BJP la kataliang ng ilang?
Number one, he can song ba yaw pay ba? Ngamde mga rule out nga na rule it nga. Kasi song ba yaw pay ba? La daw pay ba nga o gila na kuno party, I'm ready to contest from any party. Mday tang ka BJP ba kren bandrung no ha ka party. Babun gini ki party ki wan ong hi. Rung no sa kan party jongi, rung no sa party jongi, contest na ka party jongi. But hadu menta ka Congress kadang apa ngan ya election na Congress. Fi nga don ha suspension license. License ko Congress ka suspend nga. Ti subu kam lift ka suspension jo nga. Ta ko mo ngandu ya election. Ti ngaman si hawan ko ko party na ki bukhot nga pnya election. Subu menta ko Congress ko ang ipi ngam lift ka suspension. Ti mo nga ngandu ya election, ndu ya election. Ti ngam resign no na ko party suak election. Mo.
Since 2014, our country has been plagued by divisive forces. TMC is in Meghalaya with the mission to empower the people, uphold the ethnic cultures and traditions, celebrate the sacred land. To oust the proxy BJP government from Meghalaya, be the change, support TMC by calling on 96877 96877.